Zero Water Replacement Filters 2-pack BPA-free replacement water filters for zero water pitchers and dispensers, NSF certified to reduce lead and other heavy metals. Zero Water Replacement Filters ensure you are drinking pure tasting, cleaner water by replacing your zero water pitcher filters regularly. Our replacement filters fit in all zero water pitchers and water dispensers, from the smallest pitcher to the largest. 5-stage water filtration. Unlike many water filters and pitchers, zero water filters use 5 stages of filtration to bring you cleaner, better tasting water. Instead of carbon filtering only, our filters use ion exchange technology to reduce contaminants. Not an ordinary water filter, zero water filters filter water in 5 stages, are NSF certified to reduce lead and other heavy metals. Zero Water removes 99.6% of total dissolved solids, 2x more than the leading brand, tested by independent lab. Get more out of your water, remove more impurities from your water with Zero Water's unique 5-stage filter system. With a variety of options, you can have cleaner water anywhere, from pitchers, bottle filtration systems, or portable on-the-go cup filters. Zero water quality. Some Zero Water filters are compatible with other brands of water pitchers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.